All right, so you've probably seen this or tried it, the baked feta pasta trend that's going crazy on social media.
I have tried it. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but it actually started out in Finland and took off only recently in the US on Instagram and TikTok. Now everyone here wants in on the action and are showing off their versions.
Here's one from our partners at Eating Well.
People are so into this because it is so simple and it takes almost no prep. So I just smashed 3 cloves of garlic, then I put about a pint of cherry tomatoes into a 9x13 pan. I nestle some feta. No need to chop up the feta, so just put your blocks of feta right in there. I'm gonna put my garlic cloves in, then a little bit of crushed red pepper. You put as much or as little as you want, depending on how spicy you like it. Then I'm going dried oregano, some salt, but not too much because feta is one of the saltier cheeses. Put black pepper and then plenty of olive oil. So at the end, after we bake this, it's gonna be nice and oozy, and that olive oil is gonna be part of sort of what turns into our beautiful sauce for our pasta that we're gonna toss this with. After your pasta is baked for about 20 to 25 minutes and your cherry tomatoes are burst, you pull it from the oven, you take your pasta, which you have just drained and reserved some of the cooking liquid, and then we are going to toss that pasta with this. I'm first gonna mash up that feta just a little bit, because that feta is going to become a nice sauce. Oh man, this looks good. Nice and creamy and juicy and delicious. So I did reserve a little bit of pasta cooking liquid, which I would toss in here if I thought it needed it, but I don't think it needs it. I've got plenty of juice from my cherry tomatoes, and then you just finish it with a little bit of nice sliced fresh basil. And that is it, folks, the baked feta pasta trend.
Greg's not a fan.
Still looking at it, I mean, it looks the same way than when my fiance made it. But, you know, listen, give it a try. You might like it. And if you want to have fun with it, you know, you can try other vegetables as well as adding garbanzo beans or chickpeas to add a little protein or fiber or something.
There's a lot of ways to switch it up or just make a different pasta altogether. You could try a different cheese too, or maybe some chicken or something in there. Lots of options.